Hello, today I'd like to introduce our 1973 Bolens G10. The tractor is mainly complete and in good condition, except for the bit down here on the fender where the patch has been cut out. The tractor has been fitted with an hour meter that shows just under 500 hours. It still has the Howard decals on both sides, the husky dog on the front, and has a very low serial number, which means it's a very early tractor. Something else I've noticed about this tractor that's different to all our other G's and H's is it doesn't have the rubber straps holding the bonnet down. Instead, on the inside, it has these clips like a husky. On this tractor we're missing the air filter cover and the clamps for the fuel tank. Do you see a similarity between these three tractors? Because if you do, you'd be right. On this Westwood and the G10 here, they have the exact same blade. The original owner of this tractor decided they would put all of this complex stuff to go all the way up to the attachment lift lever and even bolt onto the proper bracket under the axle just to put a Westwood blade on. And then the similarities are a bit more obvious here in the fact that they're both Bolens tube frame tractors. But if you look at the lift mechanisms, you can see how complicated this one is compared to the proper one. The original plan was to strip all of this off and take it back to original, but seeing as it's winter, when we hopefully get some snow, we can compare it with these other two tractors in our snow fleet.
We will now move this tractor into the workshop so we can have a more detailed look at what it will take to get working. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!